Weeemake was founded in 2017 in Shenzhen, China. We are a high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, production, and sales, specializing in the fields of STEM education, artificial intelligence, and interactive demonstration devices. The company covers an area of 2,000 square meters and has a complete production process ranging from product development, design, raw material procurement, SMT mounting, soldering, testing, packaging to delivery. We strictly implement a high-quality control system, and all products have obtained international certifications, such as CE and FCC. Weeemake has an independent hardware and software development team. Our products cover series such as Arduino, ESP32, K210, and Microbit. These products are compatible with multiple mainstream programming platforms and widely applied in educational scenarios, including K-12 education, robotics programming, maker education, and large-scale AI models. Guided by our content plus hardware plus software plus competitions principle, we have served over 16 countries worldwide, across 34 provinces and cities in China, reaching more than 10,000 schools. We hold over 20 patents and copyrights. We offer OEM and ODM services with multilingual content customization, committed to providing high-quality, cost-effective educational products and solutions for global makers, educators, and robotics and AI enthusiasts. Welcome to Weeemake.